Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are good and safe at your homes. I am your maths teacher for class 5. Before starting lecture, I am giving you some instructions. So kindly follow these instructions. Be attentive and listen carefully. No disturbance during teaching. If you have any queries, so you may ask. After teaching, listen complete teaching with full attention. Don't involve in other activities during teaching. You have to sit along your required subject book, copy, rough copy, and proper stationery box. You can ask questions by writing in the chat box. Take a screenshot of each slide. So, in previous class, we have done chapter number 1, that is notation and numeration. Today we are doing remaining topics of this chapter from book page number 4 to 6. In previous class we had discussed about notation and numeration. So what is notation and what is numeration? Give your answers on chat box. In previous class I have told you what is numeration and what is notation. Give your answers on chat box. So topics of the day are, in previous class we have discussed about 8-digit number and 9-digit number. Today we will know about 10-digit number and 11-digit numbers in Pakistani place value chart and in international place value chart. We will also learn how to write the number in figures and in words. Write the numbers in expanded form and how to write the place value of colored digit. Tell you again what is notation and what is numeration. The method of representing a number in digit or figure is called notation. When we represent a number when we represent a number in digit or figure, this method is called notation. And when we numeration is known as the method of expressing a number in words. When we represent a number in words, this method it's called numeration. So what is notation? When we represent a number in digit, this method is called notation. And when we represent a number in words, this method is known as numeration. Numeration is defined as the act of counting number in words or numerals. For example, if we write number in words, so this method is known as numeration. You can see here, I am writing here 1 is 1. I am writing here number in words. So this method is known as numeration. While notation is the act or system of using symbol to represent number. When we represent number in digit, so this method is called notation. You can see here these are the single digit numbers and we represent a number. When we represent a number in digits, so this method is called notation. In previous class, we have learned about 8-digit number. 8-digit number starts from 1 crore. In previous class, we have learned 8-digit number starts from 1 crore in Pakistan system, and in international system 8-digit start from 10 million. So 1 crore means 10 million. 1 crore is equal to 10 million. We have also learned about the 9-digit number. So about the 9-digit number, in Pakistani system, 9-digit number start from 10 crore, and in international system, 9-digit start from 100 million. So 10 crore means 100 million. 10 crore is equal to 100 million. Today we are going to learn about 10-digit number. Today we are going to learn about the 10-digit number. So in Pakistan system, 10-digit number start from 1 Arab. And in international system, 10-digit number start from 1 billion. We know that 99 crore 99 lakh 99,999 is the largest or last digit number or last digit a 9-digit number. If we add 1 in this number, so it will become 1 Arab. If we add 1 in this number, so it will become 1 Arab. This is a 10-digit number. In Pakistan and other parts of South Asia, this number is called 1 Arab. In Pakistan, this number is called 1 Arab, and in other parts of South Asia, this number is also called 1 Arab. In other parts of South Asia, like India, Bangladesh, this number is called 1 Arab, and it is written as 1, 20, 20, 20, and then 30. After each group, we put comma. First we write 1, then we put comma after after Arab group. Then after Arab group comes Karor group. So in Karor group we write 20, and after Karor group we put comma. After Karor group, which group comes? A lakh group. So in place of lakh group consists of 2 digits. So we write 20 in lakh group. After lakh group we put comma. Then thousand group comes. So in place of thousand group we write 20, and after thousand group we put comma. And then unit groups come. Unit group consists on 3-digit number, so we write 30 in place of unit group. So this number is called 1 Arab. But as we are in the other world, in other countries, this number is called 1 billion, and 1 billion is written as 1, 30, 30, 30. This number is called 1 billion. First we write 1, then we put comma after billion group, then we write 30 in million group, then we put comma after million group, then we write 30 in 100,000 group, because 100,000 group consists on 3 digits. So we write 30 in 100,000 group, then we put comma, and then we write 30 in unit group. So in international system, each group consists on 3 digits. So we write after 1 billion 30, 30, 30. So this number, this is the 10-digit number in Arab. In Pakistan system, 10-digit number start from 1 Arab, and in international system, 10-digit start from 1 billion. So 1 Arab means 1 billion, and 1 Arab is equal to 1 billion. Now we will know what is 11-digit number. 11-digit number, here number is written. This number is 9 Arab 99 crore, 99 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999. It is the largest 10-digit number or last digit number in 10-digit number. And if we add 1 in this number, so it will become 10 Arab. It will become 10 Arab. If we add 1 in this number, so it will become 11-digit number, and this 11-digit number called 10 Arab. So in Pakistan system, 11-digit number start from 10 Arab. In Pakistan and other parts of South Asian, this number is called 10 Arab. 11-digit number starts from 10 Arab, and it is written as 10 Arab, comma, then we write 20 in Karor group, then we put comma after Karor group, then we write 20 in lakh group, then we put comma after lakh group, then we write 20 in thousand group, after thousand group we put comma, and then we write 30 in unit group. So in Pakistan system, we put comma. If we see from the right side, first we put comma after 3 digit, and then we put comma after 2 digit. But elsewhere in the other world, it is called 10 billion. 11 digit, in international system, 11-digit number called 10 billion. And it is written as 10 billion, 30, 30, 30. So after 10 billion group, we put comma, then we write 30 for million group because million group consists on 3-digit number. So we write 30 in million group. In after million group, we put comma, then we write 30 in 100,000 group. After 100,000 group, we put comma, and then we write 30 in unit group. So in international system, 11-digit number called 10 billion. In Pakistani system, 11-digit called 10 Arab, and in international system, 11-digit called 10 billion. 10 Arab means 10 billion, and 10 Arab is equal to 10 billion. When we have 10 Arab, it means is equal to 10 billion. The place value chart of 10-digit and 11-digit number. Now we will know about Pakistani place value chart and international place value chart. When we have 10-digit and 11-digit numbers, so we start from Arab group in Pakistani place value chart. So when we have 10, 11-digit number, we start from Arab group. We divide the digits into 5 groups. We start from the right side. You can see here the first group is unit group, and unit group consists on 3 digits. So the place value of unit group are unit, tens, hundred. 10 groups consist on 2-digit number. So 2-digit number. So 10 group consist on 1000 and 10,000. Lakh group consist on lakh, 10 lakh. Crore group consists of 10 crore, 10 crore. Arab group consists of Arab, 10 Arab. So you can see here in first group there is 3-digit and after and the in first group consists on 3-digit and other groups are consist on 2-digit. Only first group in Pakistani place value chart, only first group consists of 3-digit number and other groups consist of 2-digits. So these are the place value of Pakistani place value chart. Now we will learn what is international place value chart. In international place value chart, when we have 10-digit and 11-digit number, so in international system, we start with billion group. When we have 10-digit or 11-digit numbers, we start with billion group. So when we have 10 and 11-digit number, we divide the digit into 4 groups. If we start from the right side, the first group is unit group. Unit group consists on unit, tens, and hundred. So unit group consists of 3 digits. Before this group, this is the thousand group. Thousand group also consists on 3-digit number. First group is 1000, second 10,000, and third is 100,000. So 1000 group consists of 3-digit number. In Pakistani place value chart, 1000 group consists of 2-digit number, but in international place value chart, 1000 group of consists of 3-digit number. After this, before this group, there is a million group. Billion group consists of million, 10 million, 100 million. Before this group, this is the billion group. Billion group consists of billion, 10 billion, and 100 billion. So when we have 10-digit and 11-digit number in international system, we start with billion group. And after this group, billion, then thousand group, and then unit group. Each group consists on 3-digit number. You can see here, unit group consists on 3-digit number, thousand group also consists on 3-digit number, and million group also consists on 3-digit number. So each group consists of 3-digit number. If we compare both these place value chart, so you can see here till 10,000 places are same, but after 10,000 places are different. You can see here in international place value chart, here is 100,000, but in the Pakistani place value chart, there is no place of 100,000. So Pakistani place value chart, a first group consists on 3 digit and each group consists of two digit. But in international place value chart, first group consists of three digit and each group consists of 3 digit. Now we will see. Here is question is given. Write the number. We write this number in Pakistani place value chart. So first we count how many digits in this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 10-digit numbers. So when we have 10-digit number, we start with Arab group. We start with Arab group. Arab, then crore, then lakh, then thousand, and then unit. Unit group consists on 3-digit number. Unit group consists of 3-digit number. Unit, tens, and hundreds. So we start from the right side. Now we put this number in this place value chart. So the first number is 2. So we write 2 in unit place. Second number is 3. So we write 3 in 10 place. Then we write 5 in 100 place. Then we write 4 in 1000 place. Then we write 6 in 10,000 place. Lakh group consists on lakh and 10 lakh. So we write 8 in lakh group and we write 7 in 10 lakh group. Crore group consists on crore and 10 crore. So we write 3 in crore group and we write 1 in 110 group. Then we write 1 in Arab group. So now we can easily read this number. So now we write this number in words. So how do we write this number in words? Here first, 1 is written in Arab place. There is no number in 10 Arab place and 10 Arab place. So we only write here 1 Arab. And after each group we put comma. So after Arab group we put comma. Then there is thousand. This is the crore group. In crore group we have number 30. So we write here 13 crore. And after crore group we put comma. This is the lakh group. In lakh group, we have 78. So we write here 78 lakh. After lakh, we put comma. After each group, we put comma. In thousand group, here we have 64. 64 is in the thousand group. So we write here 64,000 comma. In unit group, we have number 532. So we write here 532. Second number consists on 11-digit number, but we start from the right side. We always start from the right side. So we put 3 in unit group, then we write 6 in tens group, then we write 1 in 100 group. Unit group consists on 3-digit number, then this is the thousand group. We write 0 in thousand group, then we write 8 in 10,000 group. Lakh group consists on lakh and 10 lakh. So we write 2 in lakh place and we'll write 6 in 10 lakh place. Then we have crore group. Crore group consists on 10 crore and crore. So we write 9 in crore and we write 4 in 10 crore place. Then we have a number 1. So we write 1 in Arab place and then we write 1 in 10 Arab place. Now we can easily read this number and we can easily write this number in words. So here 11 is in the Arab group. So we write here 11 Arab because 11 is written in Arab group. So we write here 11 Arab. After Arab group, we put comma. Then we have 49 in crore group. So we write here 49 crore comma. Then we have 62. We have number 62 in lakh group. So we write here 62 lakh comma. Then we have number 80 in thousand group. So we write here 80,000 comma. After each group we put comma. And you can see here each group consists on 2-digit number. But unit group consists on 3-digit number. In unit group we have 163. So we write here 163. So this number we can read as 11 arab 49 crore, 62 lakh, 80,000, 163. Numbers in figure. Write this number in figure, placing the commas correctly. Now we write this. Now we write these number in figure, placing the commas correctly. So here number 1 is 2 crore, 13 lakh, 42,300. So how do we write number in figure? And can you tell me in chat box, or can you raise your hand? You can also raise your hand. Yes, Arika, how do we write? How can we write? How can we write in words? How can we write number in figure? Raise your hand and give me your answers. You can also give me your answers on chat box. Okay, I'm telling you. Here 2 crore is written. So we write here 2 and put comma. After each group we put comma. In crore group 2 is written. So we write 2 comma. In lakh group 13 lakh is written. So we write here 13 comma. Then 42,000 and 1,000 group 42,000 is written. So we write here 42 comma, and 300. So we write 300 in figure. So we write as 2 comma 13 comma 42 comma 300. So this number is called 2 crore 13 lakh 42,300. We put comma after each group, we put comma after crore group, then we put comma after lakh group, and then we put comma after 1,000 group. Number 2 is 76 million, 237,000, 327. So now we will know how to write number and figures. In million group 76 is written, so we write here 76. We put comma after million group, then 237,000 is written. So we write here 237. In 100,000 group, 237,000 is written. So we write here 237 comma, then 320. So we write in figure 320. So this number is called 76,237,320. After each group, we put comma. After 76, we put comma because this is the million group. After million group, we put comma. And after 100,000, we put comma. You can see here in international system, each group consists of 3-digit number. So after unit group, we put comma, and after 100,000 group, we put comma. Next example is 7 Arab, 30 crore, 46 lakh, 30,564. So we write this number as, in Arab group, 7 Arab is written. So we write here 7, then we put comma after Arab group. 30 crore is written. So we write here 30. After crore group, we put comma. 46 lakh. In lakh group, 46 lakh is written. So we write here 46 comma. In thousand group, 30,000 is written. So we write 30 in figure, and after 1,000 we put comma. 564 we write in number 564. So this number is written as 7 Arab 30 crore 46 lakh 30,564. Number 4 is 45 billion 356 million 587,747. We can write in numbers in figure like this. For billion group 45 is written, so we write here 45 billion comma. Then in million group 356 is written, so we write 356 in figure, comma 187,000 in 100,000 group. So we write in figure 187. Then we put comma after 100,000 group. 747 is written, so we write here 747. In previous class, I have told you what is expanded form. Expanded form is a way of writing number to see the math value of individual digit. In expanded form, we write the value of each digit number separately. For example, here number is given 5,325. So we write this number, we write the value of each digit number separately. 5 is in the thousand place, so we write here 5,000 plus 3 is in the hundred place. So we write here 300 plus 2 is in the tens place, so we write here 20 plus 5. So the expanded form is 5,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 5, and we add all of these numbers, it will become 5,325. Now we see the example of expanded form. Here number is given. We write this number in expanded form. First we identify which period is this. It is international place value chart or it is Pakistani place value chart. It is so we see the comma after 3 digit, here is comma, and after two digit comma, so it means it is Pakistani place value chart. So we write this number in Pakistan system. So how many digit in this number? How many digit in this number? These are the 10 digit number. So when we have 10 digit number, we start with Arab place. So we write here, first we write here 4 Arab. First we write 4 comma, then we write 20 in crore place, then we write 20 in lakh place, and then we write two numbers in thousand group. Thousand group consists on 2 digit numbers, so we write 20 in thousand place. And then after thousand group we put comma, and then we write 30 in unit group. So this number is called 4 Arab. Then 92 is written in crore group. So we write here 92 crore. First we write 92. After crore group we put comma, then we write 20. Then we write 20 in lakh group because lakh group consists on 2 digit number. So we write 20 in lakh group. Then we put comma after lakh group. Then we write 20 in thousand group. Then we put comma after thousand group. Then we write 30. So this number is called 92 crore. Now 62 is written in lakh group. So we write here 62 lakh. 80 is written in thousand group, so we write here 80,000. 3 is written in 100 group, so we write here 300. 7 is written in tens place, so 7 tens means 70, and 5 is written in unit place. 5 unit means 5. So this number is called 4 Arab 92 crore 62,000 62 lakh 80,375. Next number is this number is we also write in Pakistan system because in first group consists on 3 digit number and other groups are consist on 2 digit numbers. So first group is crore group. So first we write here 62 crore plus second group is first group is Arab group. So first we write here 63 Arab. Second group is crore group. So we write here 20 crore, and the third group is lakh group. So we write here 74 lakh, and the third and this group consists on thousand group. So we write here 38,000. Then we write 900 plus 70 plus 3. So this number is called 63 Arab 20 crore 74 lakh 38,973. Place value of color digit. Write the place value of the color digit. Here number is given and you have to write the place value of the color digit. So what is the place value of 5? First place is unit, then tens, hundred, thousand, and then 10,000. So 5 is in the 10,000 place. So first we write 5 in words, then we write 5 in figure. So first we write 5 10,000 because 5 is in the 10,000 place, and then we write 5 10,000 in figure. So we write 50, and after thousand group we put comma, and then we write 30 for unit group. So the place value of the 5 is 50,000. Next is, what is the place value of 2? What is the place value of 2 in this number? Here a comma put after three digits. So it means it is international system. First group is unit group, second group is 100,000 group, and third group is million group. And 2 is written in million group. So the place value of 2 in this number is 2 million because 2 is in the million place. So we write here 2 million. We write here 2 million, and we also write 2 million in figure. So we write 2 million comma, then we write 30 for 100,000 group, then we put comma, and then we write 30 for unit group. Now tell me what is the place value of 4. 4 is written in billion group. 4 is written in billion group. So we write here 4 billions, and we also write 4 billion in figure. So first we write 4 billion, 4 comma, then we write 30 for million group, then we put comma, and then we write 30 for 100,000 group, then we write 30 for unit group. In this number, the place value of 3 is 3 crore. So we write here, first we write in word 3 crore, then we write 3 crore in figure. This is your copy work. First, number 1 I have done for you. You will do exercise 1.2. Here question is, place these numbers in period, first in the Pakistani way and second in the international way by placing the commas correctly. Question number 1 is, these are the how many digit in this number. First you will write this number in Pakistani place value chart, and after you will write this number in international place value chart. So when we have 10 digit number, we start with Arab group, then crore group, then lakh group, then thousand and unit group. So I have told you about Pakistani place value chart, and also I have told you about international place value chart. So you will do this work in your copy. Take a screenshot of this slide, and other question you will do by yourself. Now I'm sharing your home task. This is your home task. Do exercise number 1.2 from page number 6 in your peer copies. Take a screenshot of this slide from part A. You will do question number 189. From part B, you will do question 189, and from part C, you will do 159, and from part D, you will do 2 and 8. From part E, you will do 2 and 3. Take a screenshot of this slide. This is your home task. Now I'm going to finish this class. We will meet in next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.